Okay class, so today is week 3 of the database module. I know some of you haven't attended the previous 2 weeks, which means I will be spending the entire lesson trying to help you set up the software, because you'll have either not tried or downloaded the wrong version or just managed to destroy your entire computer somehow in the process of trying to install Notepad++. So this is gonna be a fun lesson, guys. So it's my first week here. What have I had to do? I'm trying to install the software, but it's not working. I can't code without the software, but the software's not working. Can I go home? Okay, so on this line of code here, you're going to want to write print variable name. No, don't actually type the words variable name, type the variable no. Hi Jimmy, you have a question. How can I help you? Oh, it's the same question you've asked me for the past 3 weeks. Select table from database, not show table from database. Okay. This is the 3rd time now. It's okay. Please just remember next time, okay? Please. Alright lads, let's go to the club. Huh? What? Homework? I'm sorry class, I just need a minute to drink my tea because this database module is taking it out of me. Trying to write up the lesson plan yesterday and not realizing for 2 hours that the database defaults to Microsoft SQL instead of MySQL. Why would someone do that?